If you need to find a Discord ID, whether it's a user ID, server ID, channel ID, or even a message ID, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the quickest way to turn on developer mode in Discord and copy any ID you need in just a few clicks. This is super useful for troubleshooting, reporting issues, or using bots in server tools that require exact Discord identifiers. If this guide helps you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Let's jump in. First, open Discord on your PC or launch the Discord desktop app. This method works best on desktop because the ID copy options are available there once developer mode is enabled. If you're already logged in, you can start right away. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner of the app and click the gear icon. This opens your user settings, where you'll find all the advanced options you need. Inside user settings, look at the menu on the left side and scroll all the way down. Keep going until you see the developer section or the developer option. Discord places this setting near the bottom because it's not something most users need every day, but it becomes very important when you want to access IDs in advanced tools. Once you find it, click on it. Now turn developer mode on. You should see a toggle switch, and once you enable it, Discord will allow you to copy IDs from users, servers, channels, and messages. This is the key step, so make sure developer mode is switched on before you try to copy anything. If it's already enabled, you're good to go. Now that developer mode is active, go back to any chat, server, or user profile. This is where the actual ID copying happens. You can find the ID of a person, a server, a channel, or a specific message, depending on what you need. Just right-click the item you want the ID for. If you're on a user, right-click their name or profile. If you're on a server, right-click the server icon. If you're on a channel, right-click the channel name. And if you want a message ID, right-click the message itself. After you right-click, you'll see a menu appear with several options. If you click to user, choose Copy User ID. If you click to server, select Copy Server ID. If you click to channel, click Copy Channel ID. And if you click to message, choose Copy Message ID. Once you click the correct option, the ID is automatically copied to your clipboard, and you can paste it where you need it. That's it. In just a few steps, you can find any Discord ID on desktop by enabling developer mode and using the copy options in the right-click menu. This is one of those small Discord features that saves a lot of time once you know where to find it. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Discord tips, app tutorials, and easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.